Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Morningstar to research mutual funds. Begin by typing a fund ticker into the Morningstar search bar and open the fund profile page, then focus on the overview panel to learn its strategy and category. Next, scan the Morningstar rating and basic statistics to gauge past performance and risk. Finish by checking expense ratio and minimum investment to see if the fund fits your needs. Start by opening the performance section and selecting multiple timeframes to compare returns with similar funds and benchmarks. Pay attention to risk metrics such as standard deviation and beta to understand how volatile the fund has been relative to the market. Also review downside capture and Morningstar risk rating to see how the fund performed during downturns. Use these combined insights to decide if the fund matches your risk tolerance and goals. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: a book called The Simple Path to Wealth offers clear thinking about money and can complement your fund research approach, especially when deciding investment goals and savings plans. I find it practical and reassuring for new and experienced investors alike. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Open the Portfolio tab to examine top holdings, sector weights, and country exposure for a clear diversification snapshot. Note turnover rate and top 10 concentration to estimate tax impact and how closely the fund may track its benchmark. Read the manager commentary and strategy description to ensure the fund's approach matches your investment horizon and philosophy. This habit helps avoid surprises and pick funds that fit your plan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.